Okay, so say you've created your character and it's missing a hair color and you don't know how to adjust it. This is the tutorial for you. Pretty much all you have to do is go object mode, materials, and go to this plus sign, new, give it a name. That's for your hair material. Go ahead and pick a color. You can go something crazy, you can darken it up, you can make it more realistic, lighten it, darken it, whatever you want. After you give it a color, you can also change some of these other parameters to make it more interesting looking. Play around with those. Okay, so say this is still white. Say that it hasn't changed color. Okay, to fix that, you have to go to particles, and in particles under render, you have um, hair material, and in hair material, whichever texture is selected is the texture that is shown. So if I switch the material, it's part of the eye material, different part of the eyes, um, shorts that he's wearing, you know. So you want to have the material set to the material you created, which you can check what material that is by here, or hopefully you've named your materials properly. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully it helped.